Christmas is coming soon. This year is a very special year. Many people are restricted from celebrating Christmas outside the house due to the lockdown. So today I'm going to teach you how to invite someone to your place in Cantonese. I'll also introduce a few common holiday activities in Cantonese. So let's begin. Merry Christmas! 聖誕快樂! 聖誕 means Christmas. 快樂 means happy or merry. Some people may say 聖誕節快樂. 節 means festival. We have many festivals during the year, and the name of these festivals usually include 節. Besides greetings, we usually use 快樂 in written form only. The spoken form of happy is 開心, 開心. The opposite is 唔開心, 唔開心, unhappy. Here is an example. 我好開心見到你. 我好開心見到你. I'm so happy to see you. Here are some words you may hear during the Christmas holiday. 平安夜, 平安夜, Christmas Eve. 拆禮物日, 拆禮物日, Boxing Day. 聖誕樹, 聖誕樹, Christmas tree. 你平安夜有冇節目? 你平安夜有冇節目? Do you have any plans on Christmas Eve? 你 means you. 平安夜 Christmas Eve. 有冇 have or haven't. 節目 plans or activities. 你平安夜有冇節目? Do you have any plans on Christmas Eve? Just to remind you, click on the subscribe button so you won't miss out any of my tutorials. 你嚟唔嚟我度? 你嚟唔嚟我度? Would you like to come over to my place? 嚟 come over. 唔嚟 not come over. 嚟唔嚟 come over or not. 我叫咗 Peter 同 Calvin. 我約咗 Peter 同 Calvin. I invited Peter and Calvin. Two common Cantonese words mean invite. 叫 約 past tense. 叫咗約咗. 我哋會喺屋企打機同玩啤牌. 我哋會喺屋企打機同玩啤牌. We'll play some video games and card games at home. 我哋 means we. 會 will. 喺屋企 at home. 打機 play video games. 同 and 玩啤牌 play card games。我哋會喺屋企打機同玩啤牌。We'll play some video games and card games at home. If you have your plan already and you can't go over to your friend's place, to say I can't come over in Cantonese is 我嚟唔到。我嚟唔到。The reason behind that is usually out of your control. Another way to reject an offer is to tell the person directly that you are not coming over. 我唔嚟啦。我唔嚟啦。And you don't need to give an excuse. Here are some common activities we would do during the holiday. 打邊爐。打邊爐。To have hot pot. 打麻雀。打麻雀。To play mahjong. 燒嘢食。燒嘢食。To have barbecue. Now this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you enjoy watching and learning. Remember to give a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. Again, I will update the details of this lesson on my webpage. The link is down below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.